Hi everyone, it is 51% downloaded and installing. It will take a while, but the measurement of time will preview the data by instructing the network to fire itself into the transom. The transom of the reprogram of BE8921 by the third moon, it will array itself into the third performance. The network of CG8921 by the board of the third moon, it may switch off to the mode of the artificial intelligence to work a wind graph. In time, it will review the order of the co-finder. In the element of design for the protocol, it will restructure itself into the division of the blue moon to say, hey, it has been completed. In that way, it is the talala or something. The word processor will begin in the game machine to fund the element of design for the protocol. It will restructure itself into the fifth moon. The fifth moon may burst into tears to heaven based upon the area of interest. In time, it will replay the program. To preview the data by instructing the network, it will fire 18 on 1. So, I'm not going to be able to record this until it's actually finished, but I got to go to bed. Anyway, I got to upload to YouTube and Facebook. It's 52% complete. I'll wait until what time I go to bed. Thank you.